Good morning, everyone. I am Abhishek. I am working as intern in Mindway Technologies. First of all, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude for this incredible organization, my internship experience, and the amazing instructors who have guided me along the way. This organization has been more than just a workplace. It has been a hub of learning, growth, and opportunity. The structured approach to real-world challenges gave me the confidence to apply my knowledge in meaningful ways. My internship was truly transformative. It allowed me to develop practical skills, network with talented professionals, and understand how theoretical concepts translate into real-world applications. A special thanks to the instructors and mentors who were always there to guide, support, and challenge me to do my best. Their expertise and encouragement have been invaluable in shaping my growth during this journey. Thank you, everyone.